Let's begin by taking all the chopped vegetables and putting them in a pressure cooker. Now add 150 ml of water to it and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now close the lid and place the cooker on a high flame. In the meantime, we will prepare the masala. Take tomatoes in a mixer, add onions, add ginger and garlic to it. We are going to blend this all together to a very fine paste. Now we will add this masala to a kadhayi and add 2 cooking spoons of desi ghee in it. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now in the meantime, take out the vegetables and strain the water. Keep them aside to cool down. Now we can see the masala is reduced to half its volume and the oil is separated as well. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of degi mirch, 1 teaspoon of salt, this is as per the taste, and 3 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala. Mix it very well and let it cook for another 5 minutes. As we know that this pav bhaji is all about making the kids eat all the vegetables, we are taking the boiled vegetables in a blender and we are going to blend them into a very fine paste so that none of the vegetables are visible when it is all cooked. Just add a little bit of water before you start blending it and blend it to a fine and smooth paste. Now add this blended mixture in the pav bhaji masala that we had prepared and mix it all very well. Add a little bit of water according to your preference of thickness of the pav bhaji. Let it cook for 10 minutes and cover the lid, let it come to a boil. Now we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice to it and it is almost ready to be served. Garnish it with yellow butter and coriander. And the bhaji is ready to be served. Serve it with buttered paos.